Hello and welcome to my ZeroWork review and tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to review a software called ZeroWork that help you to automate your tasks. Like you can reply to your Instagram DM, you can reply to your LinkedIn DMs, you can create a new post on LinkedIn, you can send automated email to all your prospects, and you can do almost anything you can imagine with ZeroWork. It is one of the best task automation software that help you to automate your tasks and help you to save time and energy. Okay, so as you can read it here, automate repetitive tasks without code. You don't need any coding skill for all these things. You can automate any task with its drag and drop editor. So as you can see, I have access to this tool, so I'm going to give you live demo of ZeroWork so you can understand how to use it properly. Okay, but first I want to tell you that ZeroWork is currently available on AppSumo as a lifetime deal. You can get this software at just $79 for lifetime access. And as you can see, there are 100 plus reviews and almost everyone has given it 5-star rating, so you can understand its popularity. Okay, it is alternative to UiPath and best for freelancer, market agencies, web design agency, and anyone who want to automate their task. Okay, and it has some integration feature like API, Google Sheets, webhooks, and many more. So if you want lifetime access of this software for just $79, then I have given a special link in the video description. Definitely that's my affiliate link. So there are lots of feature of ZeroWork AI. So if you want to know about its feature, then you can pause this video and read it. So it is a no code builder to create TaskBot. It means that you don't need any coding skill. Condition based logic to set daily or weekly DMs or profile visits. So as you can see, if you want to find prospects on LinkedIn, Instagram, or anywhere, then you can set condition based logic and it will perform every task for you. You don't need to do anything yourself. And you can schedule TaskBots, run TaskBots in background, unlimited parallel run of multiple TaskBot, and there are many more features. You can read it by pausing this video. And there are currently two pricing plan available. $79 per plan, it will give you all the features that mentioned here. Okay, and you can create 75 TaskBots and you will get unlimited run feature. And tier 2 pricing plan will cost you $189 and it will give you all the features that mentioned here in the feature section. And apart from this, in this plan you will create unlimited TaskBot. So if you want to create up to 75 TaskBot, then this plan is right for you. And if you want to create unlimited TaskBots using ZeroWork, then this plan is perfect for you, and you can also do unlimited run in this plan. Okay, so now let me open my dashboard. UI and UX is very good, as you can see, and now I'm going to show you what is inside this dashboard. So first is TaskBot. So if you want to create TaskBot, then you can click on this create new TaskBot to create any automation you want. And here is the setting. So it is very important. So when you will purchase this AppSumo deal by clicking on the link given in the video description, then first I want to recommend you to go to setting and install this desktop agent. So if you are using Windows, then you can download it for Windows. If you are using Mac OS, okay, then you can download software from here. And okay, as you can see, and next thing is integration. So if you want to integrate it with ChatGPT, then you can enter your API key here and you can click on save to connect it with ChatGPT, that is OpenAI. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how you can create a simple chatbot with ZeroWork. So I'm going to create a chatbot where it will open LinkedIn for me. Then it will create this start a post button. It will write a post for me, and after that it will click on this post button to post it on my LinkedIn profile. So creating a task automation in ZeroWork is very easy. You just need to click on this create new TaskBot. Just click on it, and here you will see a dashboard like this. From here, our first task is to open LinkedIn. Okay, we want to open LinkedIn, then we want to click on this create a post option. Then we will write any text here, and then we will click on post. So we are going to create automation for this. I hope you understood. So first we open LinkedIn for it, right? So for this, there is option called open link. Just drag and drop here, and after that enter the website URL, which is linkedin.com, and click on save. Okay, so let's test if it is working or not. So for this, what you need to do, just click on this run icon. As you can see here, just click on this run icon. and let's see, and it will working in the background, and it has opened LinkedIn for us. So as you can see, it has opened LinkedIn for us, but the problem is that it has not logged in our account. Okay, it is still showing us to log into our account. Okay, so for this what we need to do, just go to your LinkedIn account, you need to log into your account, and after that you need to install this edit this cookie plugin. The plugin name is edit this cookie. Just install this plugin and export all this cookie information from here by clicking on this button. And after that you need to again go to your TaskBot, click on setting, and then here is the cookie option. You need to paste this cookie here. Okay, and after that just click on close button. Okay, so cookie has updated successfully. So now let's click on run button and we will see if it will open LinkedIn and log into our account or not. Just click on run button and let's wait. So as you can see, it is performing all these things in the background, and it has opened LinkedIn for us, and it has logged in our account. So it is working perfectly, right? So what's our second step? So our first step has successfully created that it is open LinkedIn website and log into our account. The second thing is that we want to click on this start a post, try writing with AI option to create a post. Okay, for this what you need to do, you need to click on this click web element option, just drag and drop here. Okay, and here we need to enter this text which is showing here. We need to click on this text, start a post, try writing with AI. We need to click on this section, right? So that's why we need to enter this text as it is here. Okay, for this we need to write it like this. Text is equal to start a post, try writing with AI. So I have entered whatever it has written here. Okay, start a post, try writing with AI. We want to click here, so that's why I have written the exact text here, and I have entered it in inverted comma. It means that it will find this text in this entire page, so it is here, so it will click on this button. Okay, so I hope you understood. So just click on save, and after that we need to connect this two. So after opening this link, it will click on this element. So just click on this two dots. Okay, and now let's click on this run button to check if it is working or not. So I'm clicking on this button and let's see if it will work or not. So it is working, and let's see. So as you can see, it has opened LinkedIn profile for us, and it has clicked on that create a post option. Okay, so far it is working good. So now after clicking on this button, suppose we want to write anything here like how to find blog post ideas. Okay, so if we want to write it here, so what we need to do, select insert text or data option. So by using this option we can enter any text here. Okay, so we want to write how to find blog post ideas in our LinkedIn post. Okay, so that's why I have written it here, and now we are going to connect these two. It means that now it will open LinkedIn website, then it will click on the create post option, then it will write this text. What is the text? It will write this text, how to find blog post ideas in our LinkedIn post. Okay, so let's click on save and let's click on run to check if it is working or not. And as you can see, it is working in the background, and let's see if this method will work or not. So it has opened up one LinkedIn profile, and as you can see, it has clicked on this button, and as you can see, it has written the exact thing that I want. Okay, so it has written the text very fast. So if you want to slow it down, then what you can do, just click on it, and here you can select the typing speed to average. It means that it will write the text slowly like you are typing it, so it will not look like a robot is typing this text. Okay, and after that what we need to do, suppose it has clicked on this option, it has written this text, and after that what we need, that it will click on this post button. So button text is post. So let's go back, and here again we are going to select click web element option, and we want to click on the button where post has written. Okay, so let's write text equal to post. Okay, and let's set duration for 5 seconds. So after writing our text, it will click on post button after 5 seconds. So let's click on save, and now we are going to connect these two dots. Okay, and let's click on run button, and we will see if it will work or not. So I am going to show you everything live in front of you. I hope you like it. So it has opened LinkedIn profile, and as you can see, it has clicked on create a post, it has written the text, and also it has posted it on my Instagram profile, as you can see. So I'm going to delete this post because I was just giving you a demo. I don't actually want to post this. So I hope you understood how to automate any task with ZeroWork. It is very easy. Once you started using this software, then you can create any automation you want. You can even reply to DMs by using ChatGPT. Whenever you will get any new DM, then it will automatically read that DM, and then it will use ChatGPT to reply to your DMs. It will find all the prospects, your potential clients, using this automation. So you can almost do anything, whatever you can imagine with ZeroWork. So this is the beauty of this software. So as you can see, I have created a simple workflow here, simple automation here, where I have opened my LinkedIn profile. I have clicked on the text where it has written create a post. Then I have entered a text like how to find blog post idea. Then I have clicked on this post element by using click web element option. I have clicked on post button to post this question on my LinkedIn profile. So in the similar way, you can create any automation you want using ZeroWork. So ZeroWork is currently offering lifetime deal of this software at just $79. The link is in the video description. Definitely that's my affiliate link. If you want to support this channel, if you found this video helpful, and if you want to support this YouTube channel, then please use the link given in the video description to purchase ZeroWork lifetime deal on AppSumo. So I hope you found this ZeroWork review and ZeroWork tutorial video helpful. If you still have any confusion regarding ZeroWork, like how to use ZeroWork, and if you have any question, then please let me know via comment below. I will reply as soon as possible. And if you found this video helpful, then please like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this.